Hi everyone and welcome to Amanda's Cooking Buzz. I was out on the weekend and it was roasting, and so I thought to myself, what I might do is I might share with you just a really quick and simple drink that I have used for quite a few years now up here, particularly in Queensland, because it gets so hot here in summer. And I've actually shared this with a number of my friends and they absolutely love it. And if you're anything like me that doesn't really drink a lot, this is going to be perfect for you. So what you need is you need some lemon sorbet. Any brand, it doesn't really matter what you use as long as it's a lemon sorbet. And you need some ginger beer. Now I've tried some different types of ginger beer, but I always tend to go back to the Bundaberg, and the reason being is that it's nice and gingery. So it's entirely up to you. You can, I guess, experiment and you can use your favorite, but my favorite is the Bundaberg. So all you do is you get your lemon sorbet and some nice glasses, because you want it to be presented nicely, because look, hey, we always eat with our eyes first and drink with our eyes first, don't we? So you're going to put a nice amount of lemon sorbet in your glass. Don't be stingy, guys. Make sure you put a good amount in there into your glass. So, you know, I've been using this drink. I've been, having this drink for years, and every single time I serve it to friends and new friends, they absolutely love it. So if you're looking at something that is a hot day and you're wanting something to really quench that thirst, or even if you're cooking something like Japanese or Chinese, it goes really well with that as well. So good amount of lemon sorbet in that. Be very careful when you pour in the ginger beer though, because it does tend to fizz up a little bit. So just take it nice and slow. So just top it up. You could always put a little bit of mint in there as well if you wanted to, just for a bit of garnish and a bit of flavour. Some nice long spoons, because you will always eat the lemon sorbet. A couple of straws. And I was going to make one, but I've been told by Sam, who's here also, that he wants one as well, so I had to make two. So anyway, guys, there you have it. The adult version of a spider, because, you know, when we're growing up, we always have that sort of lemonade or that Fanta spider, but this is a bit of an adult version of it. So you've got ginger beer, lemon sorbet. Give it a go, because it is absolutely amazing. You will love it. So subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, see what you think. If you have a better alternative to lemon sorbet and the ginger beer, let me know, because I'd love to try it. But like I always say, cooking, I am. Let's cook together. Bye for now. Bye.